If I watch one more, I'll make you another one, boy. Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when you're ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Scooby! Scooby! Come, Scooby! Come, Scooby! Scooby girl! You go like you don't know your name. Should we attack Alan?
No, man, no, I'm trouble.
Scooby, Scoob. But Alan, she want more food, you know. Scooby, Scooby. Like the goat, them every time them see me, them a cry. Scooby. What happened? What happened? Come here. Come here, baby girl. Mother girl. Where you baby them there? Where you make them take away your baby them? She gone about fear business. Greedy, I look more food. I forgot to get her more food, Alan. Scoob. Come here. Come. Scooby.
Where you putting them there?
Where you baby them? Who take them? Scooby. Yeah, get her some more bread, Alan, and mackerel. She says, yeah, man. Yes. Drought apple.
Yeah, I do.
Them pretty do Alan.
Yeah, man, them pretty, man.
Oh, me get apple pie.
Them are good for me, them apple juice.
Juice. Me say, Alan, who tell you? Wash off that one out of pipe for me, Alan.
You know, get the fine apple juice, you know. Them are the real apple juice.
Wash off that out of pipe for me. Wash one more, Alan. Make you another one, boy. And you know, say funny, me think them would have worm, Alan. Cause them pretty pa.
Why them have worm, yes, but...
Take a bucket for underneath the pipe. Scooby. Scuba. Then Alan, yeah? If you have your room door, I don't want Scooby go in the apple bag, you know.
Oh, man,
if you gonna have your...
No, shouldn't go there, man. You tell me where to stop. Come on. Just cool, man. Alright, do it there.
But then I should have just wait maybe down in.
Yeah, in next 2 weeks you come here because
In the next 2 weeks? No, that's about a month. The banana? The little rain fall. But remember saying no, a sun full banana, you know. Sun full of banana and planting. Look at broom here, soft door, Alan. Look at broom here, the people then. Look at broom here, soft door. Oops, where so much card come from? Why? Aye, what your name? What's your name again? Sparrow? Scooby. What's it all? Sparrow. Yeah, me I do look a tidy up Papa Mama, yeah. Feel good, me I tidy up Mama. Me I sweep off Mama veranda, me feel good. Tattoo. Curry.
Yes, as what I was saying, we in the pit, dig out the pit and make it look up to date and things like that, and I drink a one rum. Only thing I have a split from me, but still I enjoy myself same way. And I want to say hi and what they do to others who see me and don't, and I don't see them. But I rasta same way, you know.
Alright. Roo, where you for?
They are trying to get it trade though.
Alright, and I drink rum too.
Yeah.
Uncle Murphy!
Alright, I'm here. Easy myself, you know?
Alright, to the back tree.
Right there in the tree here.
Alright.
Down in that.
Down in I pit. Who that down in I pit?
Oh, sure.
She said something to people them now go on down there. Why look like you like the hole digging? Breezy, where the pan? Them never see you yet, you know.
I'm here to take a dirt, you know. Yeah, man.
Alright, so your bird come out, we don't show them how you do. We don't show them how them deal with the thing manually. Yeah. Them have them thing for dig it out and all and something there, but we don't have them something there. Yeah. So, that's how we do it right here, so see?
Man strength.
Yeah.
You know?
Countryman strength.
Man strength.
Yeah. Yeah, because through the rain, yeah. But we soon ready, I know. We soon reach a dirty now. Yeah. Alright, so everything legit. So now go start out them, I will go down there and back them up back for me, right? Alright. Down here so look nice though, I'm not lie. Like how down here so nice. So when I come back, everything I go pretty and Alan, me tell Alan long time said the goat them want food. Alright, Corey. So Corey. Hey, we don't want them go down in our gully, you know. Okay. No, you understand? We kinda
Them dirt they go buying back, you know, themselves. You know?
Yeah, me know, but still we have to let the gully clear feet, yeah.
Free
water run.
Yeah.
So like it a bind back itself, to hold back the gully of itself. Yeah, them something, but me think we ain't do it. Who go chop out them something out of the gully. Some of them, who go do that when you get time, who not go do that. Alright? So, by the time I come again, a different movements.
Different scene. Auntie, you want a mango tree cut down for another scene?
I'm not sure. We don't want to take it down. Maybe just limit off. Limit off. Just limit off. Yeah, the bug them, man. Lord Jesus. A different movements in the pan now.
Fly off and go about in business.
Oh, that's a, then say they may have the June bug or July bug.
What kind of bug then call them? I know me bug.
But me done.
What kind of bug then call them? Yam bug.
Yam bug. Oh. Alright, so gentlemen, we are going to anything so I know me a cut.
Yes.
Alright. We just live good. Love fat. So Parry, we are shooting it now from St. Mary. We're on the tour of comedian now. So let's ride with me. I'm not going to talk much. So let's ride with me on the tour coming. So the tour sweet night Friday evening. I don't know when you'll see this St. Mary thing, but make sure I make it in before it gets dark. Uncle Murphy, Dad, and I say, hi.
How you doing? Yeah, man.
Come home from St. Mary. The Ocean scheme out there, so I wish Ocean scheme.
Yeah, man, I just did.
Oh. You just saw the top there, the pink roofs. That's came on as estates. That Ocean scheme.
Yeah.
Okay. With them 3X that is so.
Then I don't think they
Then I have no worker for them.
No.
Okay.
I see them all use one, you know. Let's see what I put this in.
Team flash over there, them I use the next one. Next one open up because them see the traffic are build up. You see guys, the traffic building up, going in. So Uncle Murphy cut over now, you can't cut over, you make that one. And they're like, wow, rat race. Rat race, rat race, rat race to get in that shot, this stole. Oh my God, the traffic are build up. Wow, everybody gone in that one then now. That one I left. Wow, traffic will have build up, man. We just passed through the toll Paris. We just got through from the town. So you see the road sign. So we are heading this way. You see what I'm going to look like Mandela now. Is it going to be long?
Oh man, tomorrow.
Traffic there, going in from Kingston over to the right there. Traffic can build up, going over from Kingston. Yep, traffic. Take time I build up and go over Portmore, Spanish Town. And we are, oh, the traffic out is so rough. You see it? Uncle Murphy, I cut the road. Traffic over there. I get tight. That's the traffic going out of Kingston. But we are going in. So this is where we're at. Better road, you notice the camera can't settle. Road is just so bumpy out there. Oh, the ferry.